Grocery stores have spent millions of dollars studying your brain, not to help you, to figure out exactly how to charge you a 4,000% markup on items that are draining your bank account and sabotaging your health. Today, I am exposing 12 items that smart shoppers stopped buying years ago. If you have number 1 in your fridge right now, you are literally paying to swallow plastic. Pay attention. Let's get into it. 12. Salad kits. Salad kits are a convenience tax on something that takes 3 minutes to do yourself. A whole head of romaine lettuce gives you roughly 6 servings for under $2. A pre-packaged kit costs double that for half the food. You are paying a 300% markup for someone to chop lettuce and throw in a 10-cent packet of dressing. And it gets worse. Bagged salads are the most recalled items in the entire produce aisle. The CDC has linked them to hundreds of E. coli and Listeria outbreaks from industrial cross-contamination. Buy the whole head, wash it yourself, and save $200 a year. 11. Pre-shredded cheese. When you buy pre-shredded cheese, you are not just buying cheese, you are buying wood pulp. Manufacturers add cellulose, which is processed wood fiber, to keep the shreds from clumping together. That same coating is why bagged cheese never melts properly in your recipes. You are paying premium cheese prices for sawdust filler. A block of cheese is cheaper per ounce, contains no fillers, and tastes significantly better. Buy a $10 box grater. It lasts forever and keeps your food pure. 10. Individual yogurt cups. Those little single-serve cups are sugar bombs, disguised as health food. Many leading brands contain up to 26 grams of sugar. That is your entire daily limit in one small snack. On top of the health cost, you are paying for all that extra plastic packaging. A large 32-ounce tub of plain Greek yogurt costs about 12 cents per ounce. The small cups can run up to 33 cents per ounce. Buy the large tub, add your own fresh berries or a drizzle of honey, and save $300 a year while cutting your sugar intake in half. 9. Single-serve snack packs. Portion control packs are a corporate trick to sell you less food for more money. Snack giants like Mondelez openly admit that over 50% of their revenue now comes from small formats because the profit margins are astronomical. You are paying a 60% markup just to have your crackers put into a smaller bag. These mixed material wrappers also cannot be recycled. They sit in landfills for centuries. Buy the family-size bag. Spend $5 on a set of reusable snack containers and save over $100 annually. 8. Grocery store bakery items. Grocery stores pump artificial bread smell through the vents to make you hungry. It is called scent marketing, and it works on most people every single time. The markups in the bakery section are the highest in the entire store, often reaching 1,000%. Most of those muffins and cookies are not made fresh. They arrive frozen, get baked for 10 minutes, and get sold as if they were made that morning. A batch of 12 muffins costs about $5 to make at home. The bakery charges you $30. Bake your own on a Sunday, freeze them, and stop falling for the smell. 7. Name brand spices. Paying $5 for a tiny jar of McCormick cumin is a financial disaster. That exact same spice in the international aisle, or at a local Indian or Mexican market, costs about 30 cents for the same amount. That is a 1,300% markup for a red cap and a famous logo. Consumer Reports has proven in blind taste tests that there is zero difference between expensive and budget spices once they are cooked. Ethnic markets also have higher turnover, meaning their spices are actually fresher and more potent. Switch your spice shopping immediately. 6. Specialty diet-labeled foods. Keto bread, paleo granola, and vegan cookies are marketing traps with very little federal regulation behind the labels. Companies slap these terms on anything to double the price. A loaf of keto bread can cost $9, while regular bread costs $3. And here is the thing most people never realize. Regular items like almond butter, eggs, and natural cheese are already keto or paleo by default. You do not need a special label to tell you something is healthy. Stop paying the label tax and just buy the whole food version of these ingredients instead. 5. Pre-marinated meats. Never buy meat that comes pre-soaked in sauce. Butchers often use marinades to disguise meat that is turning gray or approaching its sell-by date. The sauce hides the smell and the color. You are also paying meat prices for water and salt. Pre-marinated chicken can contain 8 times the sodium of raw chicken, which spikes your blood pressure with every meal. A simple marinade of olive oil, garlic, and lemon costs pennies and is far safer. Do not pay $11 a pound for old chicken covered in 50 cents of sauce. #4. Pre-cut fruits and vegetables. Buying pre-cubed watermelon or sliced onions is effectively paying someone $50 an hour to use a knife for you. Markups on pre-cut produce frequently exceed 400%. Beyond the price, pre-cut produce starts losing nutritional value the second it is exposed to air. Research shows cut fruit can lose up to 25% of its vitamin C within just a few days on the shelf. You are paying triple the price for a product that is objectively less healthy. Buy whole produce, spend 5 minutes chopping, and save $1,000 this year. #3. Energy drinks and specialty coffee. A daily Red Bull or Starbucks habit is a poverty trap hiding in plain sight. One energy drink a day costs over $1,200 a year. A daily latte can top $2,000. These drinks carry a 3,900% markup over their actual production cost and are loaded with enough sugar to blow past your daily limit in 5 minutes. A homebrewed cup of coffee provides more caffeine, costs 25 cents, and has no sugar crash. Switch to homebrewing and you save enough money to buy a used car in 3 years. #2. Organic versions of the Clean 15 organic food is a $70 billion industry that survives entirely on guilt. While some produce genuinely needs to be organic, the Clean 15 list shows that items like avocados, onions, and pineapples have almost zero pesticide residue because of their thick skins. Buying organic versions of these items is throwing money away for no measurable health benefit whatsoever. Organic produce costs 50% more on average. Save your organic budget for thin-skinned items like strawberries and spinach. Buy conventional for everything else on the Clean 15. #1. Bottled water. Bottled water is the single biggest scam in the history of grocery shopping. It is 600 times more expensive than tap water. You are paying more for water than you do for gasoline. And a 2024 study found that a single liter of bottled water contains 240,000 microscopic plastic particles that enter your bloodstream with every sip. Municipal tap water is tested hundreds of times per month. Bottled water is barely regulated. A $20 filter and a reusable bottle save a family $1,300 a year and stop you from swallowing 250,000 pieces of plastic per serving. If you made it to the end, drop the word awake in the comments so I know you are done being played. Breaking these 12 habits is not a small change. It is a massive financial win that puts thousands of dollars back in your pocket every single year, and every dollar you stop wasting on corporate tricks is a dollar that stays where it belongs, in your wallet. Hit subscribe. I am here every week to help you protect your money and your health. See you in the next one.